Welcome! In front of me I have Mibro Watch A1 and I'm gonna show you how to change the watch face on this watch. First we need to wake up the screen on our watch, and you can do it by pressing the upper button. After you wake up the screen, you should see the current watch face, the home screen, and you can press and hold on the screen to open the watch face menu, like this. And once you open the watch face menu, you can scroll through the list of watch faces by swiping left and right on the screen. Find the watch face you would like to use, and once you find it, tap on it to select it and apply it. You can also change the watch face through the settings, so we can press the upper button to open the menu, then we can scroll through the menu, find the settings icon, tap on it, here tap on display, and then change the watch face. And if you tap on it, it will open the watch face menu. You can find the watch face you would like to use. Once you find it, you can tap on it to apply it. And that's how you change the watch face on this watch. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing to our channel and leaving the like on the video.